Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what are you manifesting right now, knowingly or unknowingly? So what are you manifesting in your life? Okay, so let us see. It can be a person, then marriage or love or career or celebration or spirituality. So whatever it may be, so what you are manifesting right now? Maybe you are manifesting money or wealth, abundance. So let us see, let us unfold. So what you are manifesting right now. This is something different. So today we will see. One of the viewer requested this reading. So let's see. So we have three piles here as usual. Then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me, motivating me to do more and more readings, and who are patiently waiting for my readings. If I'm busy, I'm not able to do sometimes, and thanks for your patience. Okay. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay. So if you want personal reading, my details are given below. So you can contact me. You can send an email so that I can reply you back, and we can proceed ahead. That's all. Yes. Let's start the reading. I have three piles here. Pile number one, Carnelian. Pile 2, white agate. Pile 3, black tourmaline. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can select the pile. You can meditate, you can think about anything, okay? So if you are thinking about a person or anything, so whatever you are manifesting right now, knowingly or unknowingly, we will see. Okay, so let's start the reading with pile 1. Whoever chose this carnelian, this reading is for you. Let's see, what are you manifesting right now? Pile number 1, what are you manifesting right now? Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are they manifesting right now? Whoever chose this carnelian, what are they manifesting right now? Please give us some clarity and guidance. What are they manifesting right now? Okay, so this is 4 of moons, 2 of moons, the emperor, and bottom of the deck it is 1 of moons. Okay, so let's start the reading. Okay, so you might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or if any person you are dealing with, okay, so they might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or they might be Emperor. That means Aries person. Okay, so any one of these signs I can see. So I can clearly see that you are manifesting a person into your life. Person means your soulmate, because we have here the 2 of moons. 2 of moons means you are manifesting a person who can be with you in a romantic way also, and maybe they are going to be a partner with you. So maybe you both will start a business, or maybe you both will work in the same project. So you are trying to manifest a person. Okay, so that person might be Aries, or that person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And I can see clearly that you are manifesting a new beginning with this person. So maybe you both were not in talking terms, or that person rejected you, or that person didn't accept your proposal. Maybe you love that person and that person didn't take your offer. Maybe they rejected, or maybe they said that okay, we are just friends, I don't have that feelings. Okay, so maybe this person is your friend or colleague, whatever it may be. So you are trying to manifest this person into your life. Okay, maybe this person is going through a lot of troubled situation. Maybe this person is having a lot of bad relationships previously, or bad connections previously, who betrayed this person. So this person is not ready for any connections or any relationships or any commitment. This person is non-committal. Okay, this person doesn't want to commit to anybody, because the past is that kind of a past this person had in the past. Maybe he had two or three relationships that broke up. So this person is very sad, and this person is very depressed, I can say. And when you are offering the cup of love, this person is not ready to take it. But you see this person as a soulmate, and you feel that we can have a new beginning. Okay, so you want to have a new beginning with this person in a romantic way. So your heart is overflowing with love, but this person is kind of very maybe this person is a higher authority in your I strongly feel that for many of you this is office related. Okay, so you both might be working in an office. Maybe this person is your boss or manager. So this person is kind of a very high position, emperor position. So this person is not at all giving you that much attention. So this person is keeping the relationship like very professional. Okay, this person is not giving you any commitment or any clue that what this person is feeling about you. But you have overflowing love for this person, and this, so you want to have a new beginning or union with this person, and you are waiting for the right time. Actually, I can say that you are waiting for the right time to offer the love, or you have already offered the love and this person rejected your offer, I can see. And also you feel that this person is talking to other people, not in a romantic way, but this person is talking about you, and he is trying to gather the information. So you know that this person is interested in you. He is asking others about you, inquiring about you, and gathering all the information about you, but they are not confessing their love to you. Okay, they are in denial, they are non-committal, they are not at all expressing their feelings to you. That's what I can feel. And you are manifesting this person or this connection into your life right now. Okay, let's pull some more cards. What are my pile 1 people manifesting in their life? What are my pile 1 people manifesting in their life? I can see here again the Emperor. Definitely I feel that you are manifesting a person who is in your boss or higher authority. The next one is 5 of Wands. One more card, Spirit. What are they manifesting? What are they manifesting right now in their life? What are they manifesting in their life right now? What are they manifesting in their life right now? Okay, the Hermit. Okay, so bottom of the deck, we can see the 9 of Cups. Okay, so definitely you feel that this person is your wish fulfillment. You are manifesting this person into your life. This person is pretty much single. They don't have anybody in their life, and they are waiting for you, like or it can be vice versa. You are waiting for their approval or love proposal. You are waiting for this person. Okay, so you both are very good looking, I can see, and you both are very independent. Okay, and you like freedom. Even that is the same thing that this person is also having a problem with. This person is also like to have freedom. That's why they are not ready to commit to anybody, and they are not willing to come into any relationship, because already they have like troubled relationship in the past, like 2 to 3 relationships he had in the troublesome relationship. I can see this person, there is a age gap also between you and this person. This person might be older to you, okay, or this person definitely is searching for you, okay, searching information for you. Maybe this person is not so social, not mingling with anybody. They are just trying to focus on themselves and their life. They are they are spiritual. Actually, I can see that this person is pretty spiritual, and this person does meditation and all. Now they are retreating, they are doing meditation, and they are doing the soul searching. And they feel that there is lot of competition around you. They feel that this your connection, that is the reason they are not making a move towards you, because they feel that there is lot of competition to get you, to achieve you. So that is the reason they are backing off, because their age and their cadre and their authority, it is not giving them that permission that they can also compete with others. So they feel that no, in this age, or at this age, or in this status, I am not supposed to do all those things. So that is the energy I can see from this person. But you are manifesting this connection into your life, okay. So that's what I can see, that you are manifesting your soulmate into your life. And this person may be a partner or a business partner, and lot of love is there between you both, okay. This is mutual, this is not a one sided love, this is mutual love, okay. So you want to have a new beginning with this person. Maybe you want to forget about the past, and you want to start a new beginning with this person. So emperor is twice. Maybe this person is controlling, narcissistic. So this person is maybe trying to control you. They are observing your actions. Maybe they say that you should not talk to this person, or you should not talk to anybody. You should be decent, something like that. I mean, they are talking to you, they are giving you hints, but they are not saying that they love you or something like that. So they are kind of behaving like a boss only. They are not giving you any clue. Let's pull one guidance card from Sacred Indian Tarot, and we will see what angels want to say. So what are they manifesting, and what angels want to give the guidance? Please give one guidance card, angels. What are they manifesting, and what is your guidance? Okay, justice. So definitely you will get the justice in this connection, and maybe it will lead to marriage. So you are manifesting your soulmate, and you are manifesting at the same time marriage also, okay. You will get the justice definitely. And you will be maybe I feel that for some of you, you are manifesting a court marriage. This is not a normal marriage, but it will be a court marriage or register marriage, I can say. So this is a love marriage, this will be. So you are manifesting this person and this relationship and this marriage into your life right now, okay. That's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. So that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this white agate, this reading is for you. What are you manifesting right now? So what are you manifesting right now? What are you manifesting right now? What are you manifesting right now? Pile number 2. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are they manifesting in their life right now? What are they manifesting in their life right now? Okay. So I can see 2 cards here. Both are swords. 7 of swords and the 9 of swords. So this is stars actually, but it is swords. So bottom of the deck, it is the lady, okay. So definitely I see that you or your person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You are manifesting something in your life, but the signs I can see is this. And you might be also Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay. So I can see that you are manifesting a marriage. Okay, right now you are manifesting a marriage. So it is not related to one person, but you are manifesting a marriage. Then you want to have a family, children, because the lady is there. Lady means empress. So you are manifesting the abundance. For some of you, you are manifesting abundance in your life. So it can be like you want to have everything in your life, like money, career, then happiness, everything you are manifesting abundantly. Okay, so I can see here seven of swords. Maybe you dealt with a person who was a player earlier. Okay, seven of sword means trickery. Okay, that person might be might have cheated you already. Okay, that person might have cheated you, played with your emotions. Okay, so they want to move on from in their life. Okay, but you are manifesting this, whoever is this person. So you are trying to manifest. Then nine of swords. So I can see you are not having proper sleep. You or that other person. Okay, so you are not having proper sleep, you are sad, you are crying, you are depressed. Maybe some of you, you are not well also. So maybe some health issues also are there. So you are trying to manifest the marriage or family with this person, because you are not able to live without this person, or maybe in general you are feeling lonely. So for some people, you are manifesting the marriage because you are feeling lonely. You don't have anybody to share your feelings with. Maybe you are crying at night. Okay. So because maybe someone already has cheated you, or somebody tricked you, or played with emotions. So now you are in a deep like sadness or depression. So I can also see here the two of swords. That means you have two options here. You don't know whom to choose. So you left this decision to the universe. You said, okay, anyone is fine, but I want the marriage. Okay, so I cannot be alone forever. I don't want to be single forever. So I want somebody in my life. So whether it can be one person or the other person who tricked me, even the other person also, it is fine if that person is coming back. So finally, I can see that you are manifesting a marriage and family and children in your life right now. So let's pull more cards. Let's pull more cards. What are you manifesting right now in your life? What are you manifesting in your life right now? What are you manifesting in your life right now? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, 10 of swords, queen of cups, 10 of pentacles. Very good. And the bottom of the deck, it is emperor. Okay, so surely you are manifesting a person, manifesting this marriage. Okay, and also you are manifesting abundance, as I said already. For some of you, you are looking for a good job. Okay, in your career, you want to have a higher position, higher rank. So you are manifesting that in your life. And I can see you might be manifesting the same person whom already you dealt with, or you have ended the connection with. Maybe you broke up with somebody, or maybe you are divorced from with somebody. Maybe your ex you are manifesting, or you are already you broke up with a person because that person cheated you. Because this card, you can see here, seven of swords and 10 of swords are next to each other, I mean right below each other. So that means the same person you are manifesting your life with, whom you have already um, like broke up. Okay, so now then we can see here queen of cups. So you are in energy of a queen, and you are manifesting a person who is already a single mom or single dad, or that means single parent, or you can be a single mother or a single father. So you are manifesting somebody else in your life. Maybe you are already divorced, and you want somebody, maybe you are thinking about second marriage, so that you are manifesting in your life. Okay. And also 10 of pentacles, that means definitely the abundance you are attracting. This both are this lady and the 10 of pentacles, it is marriage card. So you are manifesting a person who is very wealthy, rich, and also very highly reputed person, or a high position person. And also you have the age difference between you and this person. That person might be elder to you, so maybe in 40s, I can say. So you are manifesting the person, and you are manifesting marriage with the person. You want to share your assets with each other, you want to share the legacy, and you are manifesting this kind of a relationship or a person or a marriage. Okay, mainly you are manifesting a marriage and family. Okay, so let's see what guidance universe want to give you. What guidance or advice card you want to give to my pile 2 spirits? Please give some guidance. So one more interesting thing here, children, friends. So I'm a teacher, so I'm used to say that children. So I'm saying here also same thing. Okay, see here, the emperor is there, empress is there. Okay, so that means you are definitely inviting or manifesting marriage in your life right now. Okay, so emperor is there, empress is there, so that means you are manifesting a partner, life partner into your life. Definitely it will happen for you, because I can see the 10 is prominent here. So maybe in the month of October you might manifest this person, and maybe in the month of October you both will get married to each other. So that's what I can see. But let's pull one guidance card from the universe. Please give one guidance card to my pile 2. Wow, yes, the sun card. Okay, so universe is saying that definitely you will have the happiness. So whole world happiness will be at your footstep. Okay, so that means you will be so happy with this person, and in this connection, in this marriage. The happy days are coming. So this year will be very lucky for you, and you will get married in this year. So that is what you are manifesting, and you will be happy forever. That's what the sun card says. Okay, universe is also promising that all the sad days are gone. See, 9 of swords means you are crying a lot, you are praying god, you are not able to sleep, you are tensed, depressed. So universe is saying don't worry, happy days are ahead. Okay, very very positive reading, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications about my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. What you are manifesting right now in your life? What are you manifesting right now in your life? What are you manifesting right now in your life? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is my pile 3 is manifesting? What are my pile 3 people are manifesting in their life? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Ten of suns, 9 of moons, the magician, and the 7 of stars. Okay, so you or your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see also the fixed signs here. So you might be dealing with this person. Okay, so I can see here you are manifesting your wish. Okay, so whatever that wish may be, so you are like completely down with the responsibilities. So many responsibilities are there on your shoulders, and you are walking away from some connection because of the financial position, or in the this is I feel that this is career reading. Okay, so seven of stars means maybe you are trying to get a better position. You want to take away one position in your office or business or whatever it is. So you are trying to take it and go away, get away from that. Okay, so this is you are manifesting. Magician also is there, so you are manifesting, trying to manifest that whatever the career or whatever position or whatever the job you are manifesting. So that is what you are trying to manifest. And this pile I can see that you are maybe doing the law of attraction manifestation techniques you are using. And your wish fulfillment. Okay, so some wish is there which you are like dreaming day and night, you are dreaming about that. So that may be a good job, luxury car, then abundance, or abroad chances, traveling to different countries, whatever it may be. So nine of cups means wish fulfillment. So you are very pretty much independent, you are like beautiful or handsome, and you are ready for this opportunity, and you are waiting and manifesting for this. You are pretty much single. Whoever seeing this reading, whoever chose this pile, they are pretty much single. They are having lot of responsibilities, but they like freedom. They want to get away from these responsibilities, and they want to have freedom, they want to have independence, they want to be free, they want to get a nice job, they want to maybe they want to go to abroad, or whatever it is, they are trying to manifest a better life, actually I can say. So you are knowingly or unknowingly you are manifesting this. But I can see many of you, you are manifesting, you are doing the manifestation techniques, you are doing maybe the 333 techniques or 555 techniques or water technique, whatever techniques you are using. So you might be trying to manifest this better life, and you want the money, car, bungalow, everything, like whatever gives you social status. So that's what you are manifesting in your life. Let's pull more cards. What is my pile 3 manifesting in their life right now? So what is my pile, what are my pile 3 people manifesting in their life right now? What are they manifesting in their life right now? Please give us some guidance and clarity, Spirit. Wow, very nice. 10 of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Swords. Wow. And the 7 of Cups. Okay. So you have lot of option when it is when we talk about the love relationships or romantic connections. You have lot of options, you have many people around you. Okay, they want to marry you, or they want to have relationship with you. But you want a beautiful family, but first you want to achieve your goal. Whatever you are trying to manifest, this job or career, or first your main aim is to achieve that good job. Later on you can think about the marriage. But you have the in your mind, back of your mind, you have this abundance, and having a beautiful family, children. So you have already in your mind, but eventually it will come, this will also happen. But as of now you are manifesting this, manifesting a job, a stable life, I can say. It is not kind of a job or business or career, but a stable life you are manifesting. And some of you I can see you are you and your person, I mean whomever you are manifesting, you both are single parents, I can say, or divorced person, people. So you are a queen or a king, and you are manifesting king or a queen. Okay, so you eventually you want a happy family with one person. Okay, you don't know this person yet, so you want to have a stable life. And because of this you have lot of responsibility. As I can see, you are a single parent, you have lot of responsibilities. So you want someone to share your responsibilities, like a partner, a husband, or a wife. And also you want to manifest a stable life with financially also. So these two things you are manifesting. One is a stable life, other thing is you want to manifest a person who can share the responsibilities with you. Okay, so maybe you are a single mother having 2 or 3 children, or the other person is a divorced person. So you are manifesting a connection in your life, but the first priority is your the financial stability or a stable life. Okay, so let's pull some guidance card from the spirit guides and angels. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance for my pile 3 people. Okay, what are they manifesting and what is your advice, spirit? What are they manifesting and what is your advice, spirit? So the hermit. So universe is saying that it will take time. Whatever you are trying to manifest, it will happen, but it will take time. It will happen eventually. It will not happen very fast. So it might take some time, but you should know yourself. You have to meditate. You have to concentrate on what to do in future. So you have to plan the future ahead. You have to search for the right option for you, because you have many options, and you have to select one good option for you. So for that reason you have to have the awakening or awareness that who is good for you, who is not good for you. So even though many people are approaching, you don't know who is good or who is not good for you or your children. So universe is saying that first meditate, know yourself. You will get the clarity. You will get all the answers in your meditation, in your prayer. So universe is saying that first you meditate and pray, the answers will be known to you. Then you can go ahead, step ahead, and you can choose somebody or invite somebody into your life. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press bell symbol to know more notifications to regarding my upcoming videos. Until the next reading, bye.